How to create playlist on YouTube in 2021. That's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to firstly go to any of the uh, video that you want, and after that you have to click on long hold the save button. When you long hold the save button, then there is a window appear in the bottom of the page. So you and in the window you can see the new playlist in the right section. You have to click on the new playlist, and when you click on the new playlist, and so you in the title you have to name the playlist, and here in the when you in the privacy you can see the drop down arrow. You have to click on the drop down arrow, and you can choose the your playlist is uh, viewer section, playlist uh, views. So it will private or public or unlisted, so you can choose it, and then you have to click on the create, and after that your playlist is created. And one another way is you have to go to your library, and in the when you scroll down you can see the new playlist. So you have to click on the new playlist, and then here you can choose any of the videos here, and then after that let's say I choose this video, and then you have to click on the next, and then here you can also add a title, and then you can choose the playlist view, how the playlist views. So playlist the public, unlisted or private, and after that you have to click on the create. And so that's it, that how you can create a playlist. So here you can see all these playlists. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.